Most people get this wrong. They assume all form builders are the same, but the surprising truth is that Cognito Forms combines flexibility with ease of use, making it ideal for both personal and business use. Today, I'll give you my honest experience. Cognito Forms lets you create everything from contact forms to surveys, event registrations, and even payment forms. You won't believe what happens next. You can include conditional logic, calculations, and file uploads, which gives you features usually reserved for premium tools. Payments can be integrated with Stripe, PayPal, or Square, allowing you to collect fees or donations directly. One of the best advantages is its free plan, which allows unlimited forms and 500 entries per month. Paid plans increase submission limits, provide more storage, and unlock advanced features like repeating sections, custom branding, and HIPAA compliance for sensitive data. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some integrations are limited compared to competitors like Typeform or JotForm. Also, the design templates aren't as visually polished, so you may need to customize CSS for a sleek look. The surprising truth is that Cognito Forms is powerful, affordable, and easy to use, making it a strong choice for anyone who needs complex forms without a high subscription fee. In conclusion, whether you need forms for business, nonprofits, or events, Cognito Forms delivers flexibility and functionality at a competitive price. It's especially great for users who want calculations and conditional logic without paying huge fees. Subscribe for more honest software reviews to help you pick the best tools for your workflow.